Today's crochet letter of the day is Y. We're almost done with the alphabet, you guys. So today is Y, tomorrow is Z. I've already done A through Y. There is a playlist on my page if you need any of the letters, okay? All right, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna chain 14. In the second stitch from the hook, so not this first one, but the second one, you're gonna put a double crochet. And then for the next 5 stitches, you're gonna put 1 double crochet in those next 5 stitches. So you should have 6 double crochet in total. The next stitch, we're gonna put 5 double crochet into that same stitch. I'm going to put 1 double crochet in the remaining stitches. You should have 6 stitches left. Okay, and then in this corner, I'm just going to slip stitch to close that gap, and then I'm going to chain 1 and cut my yarn. Leave a small tail to weave in at the end. Pull your yarn through. So now we have the top part of our Y done, okay? So if you remember, we made this 5 double crochets in the same stitch right here. This is why we have this gap hole right here. Find the 3rd stitch in that hole that you created. And what you're gonna do is you're going to insert your hook there. So I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna count over 1, 2, 3, and that's where I'm going to add my new yarn. Bring it through, chain 1. This chain 1 does not count as a stitch. It's just us, you know, adding our yarn back to our project. All right, so now what you're gonna do is you're going to chain 9. Again, not the first stitch, but the second stitch from the hook. Put a double crochet. And then double crochet back down your chain. So once you're done, you will know you're done when you have 8 double crochet in total. All right, again, I told you guys, don't count your chain 1 that you used to connect your yarn. Then you're gonna count over 2 spaces, and we're going to slip stitch there. Chain 1, cut, leave a short tail for weaving in. And here is your Y. For the purpose of the video, I'm not going to weave any ends, but I'm just going to cut them off so that you guys can see how the Y came out better. And there's your Y.